Hi friends, how are you all? I hope that you are doing good. So in this video you will see that how to divide numbers in MS Excel. In my previous video we saw that how to add numbers in MS Excel, how to subtract numbers in MS Excel, how to multiply numbers in MS Excel. If you didn't watch the videos, I'll give the video link in the description, you can check out that, and even the iCard also. So before going to video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. So when I put a video, you will get us a notification. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first we have to open up our MS Excel. For that, just go to the taskbar and search for MS Excel, AXCEL. Just tap on enter. Now the Excel has been opened. So for your reference, I have created an Excel sheet. In there you can easily understand what we are doing. I will show you. First I will demonstrate you in this Excel sheet, then I will go to this Excel sheet. So yeah, fine. So in this sheet I have created a table A, B and A divided by B, which means A2 divided by B2. I have to get the answer of A2 divided by B2 over here. So for that, let me enter some numbers. Fine. Here I will type any number like 3 or 5. I have entered the same number, you can see. So select the cell where you need the answer over here. So I need the answer of I need the answer of 3 into 3. 3 divided by 3 here. So for that, click on the cell, go to the formula bar and type the following formula, which is equal to, select the cell A2 and divided by B2, click on enter, we got the answer. So we have to get the answer of all the following values. For that, just click on the cell where you enter the formula. Like go to the right hand side in the bottom, you can see a small plus over here. Just left click and drag it down, and here we got the answer. So if you need the same answer over here, I'll show you the same thing. Just enter the following values, which is equal to A2 divided by B2, enter, we got it. Same way, you drag it down, we get the same. So I'll show you one more thing. I'll put 9, 25, 14, and you can see now we got the answers of 9 divided by 3, 25 divided by 5 and 14 divided by 7. We got the answers over here and we got the same answers over here also. So I will demonstrate you in a new Excel sheet which I have opened in the beginning of the video. So same way, I will enter some random numbers. I will put 16, 8, 19, 18, yeah. Let me zoom it. Yeah. Still see I need the answer of 16 divided by 8, 18 divided by 2 and 33 divided by 3. So just the same way we are going to enter the formulas. For that, go to the formula bar, just enter the following formula, which is equal to A1 divided by B1, enter, we got the answer. Go to the bottom right hand side, you can see a plus, drag it down, we got the answer. That's it. It's very simple. Yeah. In this video we saw that how to divide numbers in MS Excel. I hope that you all enjoyed the video and came to know how to divide numbers in MS Excel. Then I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.